still haven't had a look at the wicket yet. I just arrived. Henry had a look. Looks okay, but like I said, we are not the ones who are making the wickets. Our job is to try and go out there and play on them, and we'll have a look at it and tomorrow as well. See what's the best combination for that wicket and the opposition, and play that. And like I said, I said the last time that the wicket behaved unpredictably. It wasn't like, not that I didn't like the wicket. Like I said, as players, we need to, put ourselves under that situation and try and come out of it. And it's nothing to whinge about. But as a home team, we just like to know exactly what we're playing on. So simple as that.
There have been some allegations by the former captain, Mr. Hashan Thanagatne, about match fixing in the Sri Lankan team. He has hinted that probably the World Cup team also there could be some. So your comments on that, right?
I have no comments, honestly. I just saw the headlines in the news, and I don't know. I mean, we'll have to wait and see what he has to say, and what he has to come up with. To be honest with you, no comment on that till he comes out with it, because people can say whatever they want, and it has to be proven, has to be with proper, conviction, and like I said, we'll have to wait and see.
Mahela, two back-to-back losses and IPL is halfway through. Can we expect any major changes in the team?
Two back-to-back losses.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we've. If you see the entire tournament, the last 7 games we played, we've kept changing a few things in the team according to the opposition, according to the conditions, and that's how we've gone about. And we'll just keep thinking in the same lines, what the wicket is going to be and how the opponents are, and we'll do that. But we're not going to make drastic changes just because we've lost a couple of matches. What you have to remember is, we've played some good cricket. Yes, the last 2 outings were a bit disappointing, but we've got a good team. We just need to concentrate on the processes and try and execute a proper game plan.
Mahela, Kochi defeated the leaders Mumbai Indians in Mumbai, but lost to bottom ranked Deccan in home soil. How it happens?
Well, if you see the game today, there's a good chance Mumbai might get beaten by Rajasthan, who was in the bottom as well. I mean, if you see the entire points table, people at the bottom win 1 game, 2 games, they get to the top. They lose 2 games, they go back to the bottom. It's a very open competition this year. That means all the teams are equally competitive. Everyone's got good.
Mahela, I've got a question for you. Delhi Daredevils are coming off pretty heavy losses, and all of the losses have been very close. So how do you look at them as a competition for tomorrow's game?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, if you see the names on their list, there's some wonderful players, and they haven't, executed few things properly in most of the games, like you said, with close losses. I'm sure they're disappointed. So, and they're looking, when you're down, they can be the dangerous opponents. So we have to make sure when we go up against them that we handle those situations well and try and keep them where we could control them from. But like I said, they've got some match winners, and we have to be very careful about them. And but I've always said that we need to concentrate on our game and be very positive about executing a game plan, and that's what we try to do. And yeah, I mean, it's going to be 2 tough games for us because we play them here and then play them in Delhi. So it's very crucial that we start well tomorrow.